What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this jumbo box braid look. It's super quick, affordable, and easy to do. It's super easy. I used the rubber band method and it took me only about 3 hours to do it. Before I get into the video, I'm going to be showing you the items that I've used when I made the braids. Okay. So the first thing is your jam. Okay, jam from back in the day, period. Then you're gonna need your edge control brush or a toothbrush, I mean whatever works for you. And then you're gonna need some really thin 30 hertz rather than rubber bands, because these sustain better than rubber bands. So that's what you need. If you are interested in seeing how I achieve this style, let me show you the back. Then stay tuned. So what I'm going to be doing with the hair is I'm going to be taking one whole bundle and splitting it into 2 halves. After that, I'm going to put one of those bundles to the side, and I'm going to use 1/2 and split it into 2 pieces. And then this will create 2 braids. So out of the packs, I get about 4 braids. So then I'm going to split one side of that bundle in half and wrap it around itself about 2 to 3 times. And this is just creating my 3 pieces to connect to my hair. I'm then going to attach the middle part to my hair ponytail, and then I'm going to wrap it around and start braiding. And you guys, it is as easy as that. Now, I am not a perfectionist, so my hair bows that I created my ponytails with is a little bit visible, but hey, no one would notice. And that is it.
30 hertz straight up.
Real quick, I want to show you guys the different ways that you can wear this style. The first one is going to be, of course, some up, some down. This is the first style that I will rock it like. The second style that I would do is all up into a high bun. Okay guys, the third way I will wear this style is just simply taking it out of the bun and just wearing it all up in one ponytail. Another way that I would rock this hairstyle is wearing it in a low bun. Just in the low ponytail, no bun, just throwing it in a low ponytail like so. And maybe bring it to the front. I would rock this hairstyle is I would just bring it all to one side. So I would just secure this one. So if you guys are feeling it a little bit edgy, you want to stand out, you want to be super cute, what I would do is make 2 space buns. Okay, period. And rock it like so. This style would be perfect if you're going to Disney World. Instead of doing 2 retro space buns with some up, some down, I would take half of the left side of all the braids, even in the back, and I will pull them kind of higher. Alright you guys, if you guys have enjoyed watching this video just as much as I love making this video, please comment, like, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please, please, please come back for more. Deuces.